The footrest features a 4.5-inch height range and 9 fixed positions. With one hand in front and the other hand behind the footrest, slowly lift, stopping at the desired height. Each click locks the pad at that level. To return the footrest to the lowest position, lift to the top of its range and push down until you hear another click. The footrest is now ready for use. If the footrest does not lock or clicks are not heard while lifting, the footrest may not have been properly reset. To properly reset, be sure the pad is pushed all the way down and flush to the base. If the T-bracket supporting the footrest appears loose, lower the footrest to its lowest point. Reach underneath the front opening of the spa to tighten the 4 thumb screws.